Hello everyone, my name is Sagar and I hope you are doing well. Now in this video, we'll see how we can work with security in finance and operation. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I will go to my accounts receivable and let me go to my setup customer group. Okay, so here what I will do, I will create three things. First of all, let's understand a scenario. Assume that this customer group form is very critical and you want to create a role for it. Okay, and you want your user to have access to this particular form. For that, we'll create a role named as SC Cust Group role. Okay, and similarly, inside this role, we are going to create a duty. So we'll say our duty as SC Cust Group duty. Similarly, at the end, like this should be done at the beginning. We'll create a privilege. Okay, so we'll say this privilege as SC Cust Group duty. And inside this privilege, we are going to attach a menu item. So we'll say step by step everything. So I'm going to leverage one of my project already. So here the first thing is that I need to start from bottom. Okay. So the first thing is that let me start from scratch. So this is the form, right? My form name is Cust Group. Okay. So I'll need to go to my form first, form here, and Cust Group. Okay. And now I will open this particular form. Alright. Now the first thing is that I need to identify what would be the menu item name for this particular form. So usually this would be the menu item. Okay. So if I will search here as well, so you can see this is the menu item, right? So this is the menu item. Okay. If you see label customer groups. Okay. Now you have identified your menu item. Your menu item name is also Cust Group. So what I will do, I will create a role first. No, not role. Privilege first. I will go to new items. And here I will go to my security. And let me create a security privilege. And usually you will create a maintain and view. Maintain is where you typically provide full access, and view would be you'll be using where you only want user to read the data, like you don't want user to change anything. So I will say C Cust Group privilege, and I will add this. Okay, I've added my privilege. Sorry, I've created my privilege now. Now the next thing is that I need to attach a menu item here. So I will go here and inside my entry point here, I can attach this. Okay, and from here you will be setting your access level. Okay, so typically, one second, let me click here. Delete is considered as the highest and read would be the lowest, but let me see here. And usually you use either one of them. Sometimes you use update as well because you only want user to update data, like neither not delete or not, you know. So let me, it is freezed. Let me again click here. And here also you can control various other, options. Okay. So I will go with this delete. Okay. Okay, I have completed this. Let me do one thing. Instead of delete, let me go with read. Okay. Let me go with read. Okay. Completed it at this one. Okay, and then I will go to privilege here. I can give some name. I can say cust group privilege. Okay, and once your privilege is ready, you can directly attach your privilege to your role, but it is not the best practice. So we'll create duty. Duty is nothing, just combination of your multiple privileges. And this time we are going to create duty. And usually when identify, you will have this one key, double key, and here you will have key, you will have user, just by symbol. And now I will say cust group duty, and I'm going to add. Okay, and here usually you'll be dragging your privilege, so I can drag my privilege. Let me drag it. Okay, I've dragged it. And here you can give description and label, so I can say cust group duty. Do this group and second. Yep, here we go. This looks good. Now once this is completed, now the next section would be to create a role. So let me create a role now. I will say add, and I will again go to my security, new item, security, role. I can see here cust group. Let me, yep, here we go. Cust group role, and I will add this. And then here, you can see you can attach privileges, you can attach duties directly. So I'm going to now attach my duty. And let me click here. I'll go to properties again. Here also I can give a label. I can say cust group role. I will save this and let me do a build. So I'll do a build. Alright guys, so my build is completed. Now I'm going to test it. For that I will go to my sysadmin and let me go to users. So here currently I have the sysadmin, so I can see everything. So now I'm going to choose my role. That is SC, it begins with SC, this one. Okay, and I will say okay here. Okay, and further, like, you can also verify your changes. So for that you can go to your security configuration, and here you can go to your that role, SC cust group role, and here if you will go, you can see what all duties you have. And similarly, when you will go to duty, it will show what all privileges it have. So this is the privilege it. You can even create this from front end as well. Okay, so for now what I will do, currently I have access for everything, so I'm going to remove sysadmin. Okay, interesting. I cannot remove this role from my user. Okay, but typically this is how you will create. So I think we can verify it from here. One second, let me go to my cust group form. Here we go. Currently I don't have any other users, so I can't test, but it should work definitely. So I can go to options, security diagnostic, And here if you see my role, my duty, my privilege is reflecting here. So it means if I will assign this role, this should work. Okay. So thank you for watching this video.